DeepSeek went from being an obscure company to the pace-setter in the AI space. The launch of DeepSeek's R1 reasoning model in January 2025 brought the company to the limelight, and ever since, everyone wants to know about the Chinese company changing the narrative. This company is relentlessly challenging the US. But hold on a moment, is DeepSeek truly worth the hype? What more do they have to offer beyond R1? Let's find out. DeepSeek models. DeepSeek is an artificial intelligence development company located in Hangzhou, China, founded by Lian Wenfeng, a Zhejiang University graduate in May 2023. High Flyer, a quantitative hedge fund based in China, backs the firm. Since its founding in 2023, DeepSeek has launched various generative AI models. With every new iteration, the company seems to be raising the bar both in AI capabilities and performance. Could these Chinese inventions be a threat to the US? Just before we get into that, let's run through the different models DeepSeek has launched so far. Number 1. DeepSeek Coder. DeepSeek Coder was introduced in November 2023 as the company's inaugural open-source model tailored for programming tasks. DeepSeek Coder is a state-of-the-art AI model created to tackle the issues developers encounter due to limited knowledge, time constraints, and varying experience levels. Utilizing sophisticated neural networks, this AI can interpret your text inquiries, produce code of different complexities across more than 80 programming languages, and debug existing code or provide explanations. Integrated with LateNode, it streamlines workflows via automation, making programming more effective and accessible. Number 2. DeepSeek LLM. DeepSeek LLM was launched in December 2023 as the initial iteration of the company's general-purpose model. This general-purpose large language model is designed to handle an extensive array of natural language processing tasks. It features 67 billion parameters and was developed using a massive dataset of 2 trillion tokens in English and Chinese. Number 3. DeepSeek-V3. DeepSeek-V3, launched in May 2024, is the company's original LLM successor. It focuses on robust performance and reducing training expenses. It's a more refined and effective iteration of the initial DeepSeek LLM, improving reasoning, coherence, and adaptability to various tasks. Compared to DeepSeek-67b, DeepSeek-V3 demonstrates superior performance while being 42.5% less costly to train, utilizing 93.3% less KV cache, and producing responses up to 5.76 times more quickly. DeepSeek-V3 was developed using 8.1 trillion tokens from a various high-quality dataset. The model underwent supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning to bolster its capabilities. Evaluation outcomes indicate that DeepSeek-V3 excels in standard benchmarks and open-ended generation tasks. Number 4. DeepSeek Coder V2. DeepSeek Coder V2 was introduced in July 2024. This model features 236 billion parameters and provides a context window of 128,000 tokens to tackle complex coding problems. It's the improved version of the DeepSeek Coder, and it delivers better efficiency, accuracy, and multi-language support for developers. DeepSeek Coder V2 is an open-source mixture of experts model crafted for coding tasks, achieving results similar to GPT-4 Turbo. The extended training significantly enhances coding and mathematical reasoning while maintaining strong general language capabilities. Compared to DeepSeek Coder 33b, it performs better in coding tasks, reasoning, and overall functions. It now accommodates 338 programming languages, up from 86, and expands the context length from 16K to 128K to manage larger code inputs. Number 5. DeepSeek-V3. DeepSeek-V3, launched in December 2024, employs a mixture of expert architecture capable of tackling various tasks. This model boasts 671 billion parameters and features a context length of 128,000. It's a high-performance multimodal AI model that combines text, images, and other data types to provide comprehensive results. DeepSeek-V3 is a powerful and efficient mixture of experts model. Its 671 billion parameters, 37 billion per token, utilize MLA and DeepSeek MOE architectures for quicker inference and more cost-effective training. Extensive pre-training and fine-tuning were conducted on 14.8 trillion tokens, followed by supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning to ensure top-notch performance. Number 6. DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek R1, released in January 2025, is based on DeepSeek-V3 and aims to advance reasoning tasks. It effectively competes with OpenAI's O1 model while offering a much lower cost framework. This AI model is research-oriented, targeting enhancements in machine learning capabilities using experimental approaches. Launched in January 2025, it builds on DeepSeek-V3 and is tailored for complex reasoning tasks. The model features a high capacity with 671 billion parameters and a context length of 128,000, allowing it to manage substantial inputs. Number 7. Janus Pro 7B. Janus Pro 7B, introduced in January 2025, is a vision model adept at understanding and generating images. This compact and robust 7 billion parameter model is optimized for efficient AI tasks without demanding a high computational load. It's designed to be lightweight and economical for smaller-scale AI applications. The model delivers rapid inference speeds with minimal latency. Additionally, it maintains strong capabilities in text generation and coding. Let's examine DeepSeek models versus American models. DeepSeek's key models are DeepSeek-V3 and DeepSeek R1, and they are the ones majorly competing with other American AI models. R1 is an open-source AI with a reported development cost of $6 million. It is known for its hybrid architecture, which combines the mixture of experts approach with dense neural networks. DeepSeek excel in mathematics, coding, and natural language reasoning. Its vast training data is regularly updated, making it highly effective for multimodal tasks, coding, and creative content generation. Its scalability is strong due to its efficient hybrid structure, making it suitable for large-scale applications. Now let's look at the American models. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, operates on a closed-source model and features GPT 3.5, GPT-4, and GPT-4 Turbo. It has an estimated development cost of $500 million. With a dense neural network architecture, ChatGPT is best known for its excellent conversational abilities and general-purpose utility. While its training data is extensive, it has limitations regarding knowledge freshness, depending on the version used. ChatGPT is widely used for writing, summarization, answering questions, and conversational AI applications. However, its scalability is moderate, as dense architectures can be resource-intensive, especially for larger models like GPT-4. Does this mean DeepSeek R1 can perform more technical tasks than ChatGPT? The second American model to look at is Claude. It was developed by Anthropic and includes models such as Claude 1, Claude 2, and Claude 3.5. It's also a closed-source AI with an estimated development cost of $200 million. Claude stands out for its long-form reasoning and extended conversational abilities, making it particularly effective for research, detailed explanations, and complex problem-solving. With a dense architecture, its focus is on contextual understanding rather than multimodal capabilities, and this is where it differs from DeepSeek R1. While Claude's scalability is moderate, the limitations of its dense architecture may pose challenges in resource-constrained environments. Gemini is another American robot. It was created by Google DeepMind and includes Gemini 1.5 and Gemini 2. It's a closed-source AI with an estimated development cost of $700 million. Gemini is known for its strengths in creative projects and visual tasks, as well as handling multimedia content effectively. Unlike purely text-based models, it features a multimodal architecture that integrates text and visual data. This allows Gemini to excel in creative projects, visual analysis, and multimedia content generation. While highly scalable for creative and visual tasks, its focus on multimodal data may limit its efficiency for purely textual applications. Qwen Chat, developed by Alibaba, includes models such as Qwen 2.5 Max and Qwen 2.5 Plus. Like many of its counterparts, it's a closed-source AI with an estimated development cost of $300 million. Qwen Chat specializes in multilingual capabilities, supporting over 100 languages, and is optimized for enterprise use. It operates on a large-scale, dense transformer architecture with multimodal capabilities, allowing it to handle various tasks, including creative writing, coding, and multimodal processing. Its training data is extensive and diverse, focusing on cross-domain knowledge. Qwen Chat is highly scalable and designed for both small-scale applications and enterprise-level deployments. Stating the strengths and weaknesses of each AI model shows how DeepSeek comes into the picture and gives a different narrative. However, there are peculiar ways DeepSeek surpasses the performances of some of these popular American models. Let's compare models. DeepSeek LLM 67B base outshines Llama 2 70B base in key areas, such as reasoning, programming, mathematics, and Chinese language comprehension. DeepSeek LLM 67B Chat shows exceptional performance in coding and mathematics. It also showcases impressive generalization skills, as highlighted by its remarkable score of 65 on the Hungarian National High School exam. DeepSeek LLM 67B Chat surpasses GPT 3.5 in its understanding of Chinese. DeepSeek-V3 surpasses open-source models and competes with leading closed-source AI models requiring only 2.788 million H800 GPU hours for its training. With these obvious improvements DeepSeek brings to the table, one is forced to ask, why is DeepSeek raising alarms in the US? Despite the excitement surrounding the launch of the DeepSeek R1, it has sparked concerns in the US, leading to a sell-off in tech stocks. On Monday, January 27, 2025, the Nasdaq Composite fell by 3.4% at the start of trading, with Nvidia plummeting by 17% and losing around $600 billion in market value. This extreme impact of DeepSeek is one of the reasons it's causing alarm in the US. DeepSeek asserts that it developed its R1 model for under $6 million. This low-cost production threatens the business models of US tech firms that have poured billions into AI development. Moreover, DeepSeek offers a more affordable alternative for users than OpenAI. While exporting top-performance AI accelerators and GPU chips to China from the US is restricted, DeepSeek has shown that cutting-edge AI advancements can still occur without the most modern US technologies. Unlike OpenAI's proprietary approach, DeepSeek is open source and free, undermining US companies' revenue structures that charge subscription fees for AI services. Being headquartered in China, DeepSeek challenges the US's leadership in AI technology. Tech investor Marc Andreessen has referred to it as AI's Sputnik moment, likening it to the Soviet Union's historic breakthrough in the space race during the 1950s. China and the US continue the battle for tech supremacy. Will DeepSeek continue to lead the game, or will US companies have a comeback?